Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate channel for enriching your vocabulary and understanding the nuances of the English language. Today, we're diving into the word intervention. So, what does intervention mean in English? Intervention refers to the action of becoming intentionally involved in a difficult situation in order to change it or prevent unwanted outcomes. According to various dictionaries, intervention is synonymous with terms like interference, mediation, and intercession. Let's explore a range of synonyms to enhance our understanding and usage of the intervention. Here are some examples: interference, mediation, intercession, involvement, intrusion, interceding, and it's stepping in. Each synonym offers a slightly different perspective on the act of intervening. For instance, mediation often implies a neutral third party helping to resolve a dispute, while interference can carry a negative connotation of unwelcome involvement. Understanding these nuances can help you choose the right word for your context. That wraps up our exploration of the intervention. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is key to effective communication. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights and word explorations on Thesaurus Thrive. Until next time, keep thriving with words.